What's up, everyone? My name is Justin. This is my first vlog, my introductory vlog. I'm doing this. I'm like half sick.
Oh God.
I don't know. I'm
It's raining
cough drops. It's raining cough drops on me. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing random stuff. A lot of things. Don't spill the spit can. Yeah. Don't spill the spittoon. Shiver me timbers. I want to suck your blood. Vagina boob. Wavy cat. Yeah, we got one of these wavy cat things. It fucking waves at you.
Here.
See, everybody? This thing is...
I
I don't know why. I don't know why, but this thing is so amusing. I'm easily amused. And it just waves. We're gonna be doing other things too. I'm gonna be doing another video, and I don't know why the fuck I agreed to this, but for some reason my girlfriend wants to put her makeup on me.
Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting and probably fucking hilarious.
You're gonna be pretty.
I will also add anything else if you have any questions or, you know, requests for videos. Add them to the comment thing.
Oh, baby.
Smack that ass. And because I am not very technologically challenged.
You are.
Wait, I am technologically challenged. Yes, very technologically challenged. So my girlfriend's gonna help me, who has multimedia intelligence.
Oh, hi guys. Oh no, you dirty boy.
Go to your stores and look for these because they are amazing. They are so good. Oh, and I don't know why this is important, but because I love comics and superheroes and nerdy shit like that, here is a super cool shit that I stole from my girlfriend. Yeah, the Flash. Pretty freaking sweet. Yeah, it's like killing two birds with one stone, or
killing you with two birds.
Or so.
Oh shit, I'm gonna get it.
I don't care. Yeah. This is Aaron. So much better than Reese's. Oh, and I did want to do this. I wanted to know what your guys' New Year's resolutions were. So send me your New Year's resolutions in the comments.
And
that's about it, and we will see you later.
peace.
No place to go, I will guide.